Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing good. I hope the Lord bless you and you had a good night's sleep. This is my breakfast. It's a tuna with cheese and mayonnaise sandwich. The tuna is lemon lime. I'm also having mixed berry yogurt, strawberry yogurt, a big banana. But I hope you're having something good for breakfast as well. Please like or subscribe, especially if you're new. Feel free to comment, feel free to share. I'll ask you to be respectful in your comments. Thanks for watching. Have a very blessed day. Bye, y'all.